Kickler fan remotes can sometimes lose their connection with the ceiling fan, leaving you unable to control the fan or lights. This happens most commonly after power outages or when you change the batteries in your remote. Reprogramming means reestablishing the communication link between your remote control and the fan's receiver unit. Think of it as teaching them to talk to each other again. The reprogramming process differs depending on whether your ceiling fan uses an AC motor or a DC motor. Each type has its own specific pairing procedure. The general reprogramming process involves three key steps. First, cut power to the fan completely. Then, restore power and quickly initiate the pairing sequence using specific buttons on your remote or a learn button on the receiver. Before attempting any reprogramming, always start with basic troubleshooting. Check that your remote batteries are properly installed and have sufficient charge. This simple step solves many connection issues. Understanding these fundamentals will help you successfully reprogram your Kickler fan remote. In the next section, we'll walk through the specific step-by-step procedures for both AC and DC motor fans. For DC motor ceiling fans, the reprogramming process is straightforward and requires precise timing. Start by ensuring the fan power is turned on at the wall switch or circuit breaker. Step 1. Locate the airflow direction button on your remote control. This button typically has arrows indicating clockwise and counterclockwise rotation. Step 2. Press and hold the airflow direction button until you see the light kit blink twice. If your fan doesn't have a light kit, watch for the fan to make a slight quarter turn back and forth. Step 3. Release the button and allow the fan to complete its programming sequence. The fan will stop automatically when pairing is complete. Test the remote by pressing the fan button to confirm successful pairing. AC motor fans with dip switches require a different approach. These fans use small switches to establish communication between the remote and receiver. Step 1. Turn off the power to the ceiling fan completely. This is crucial for safety and proper reprogramming. Step 2. Set the dip switches on both the receiver and remote control to identical positions. Each switch must match exactly between the two devices. Step 3. Turn the fan power back on and test the remote control to ensure successful pairing. AC motor fans with learn buttons use a different timing-based approach for reprogramming. Step 1. Turn off the ceiling fan power for exactly 60 seconds. This timing is critical for the reset process. Step 2. Turn the power back on and return to the fan within 60 seconds. Speed is essential for this step. Step 3. Press and hold the learn button on the remote control for exactly 5 seconds, then release. The fan should respond immediately to confirm successful pairing. After completing any of these reprogramming processes, always test your remote control thoroughly. Try all functions including fan speed, light controls, and direction changes to ensure everything works properly.